Alright, we are doing a seer session here in the boiler room. And, do you see anything, Robert?
Nothing will fall.
This is a room where there's EVPs reported. And we did get a bunch of different spikes and stuff in there earlier. Look down at the bottom over there, it looks like there's actually dot distortion. All the rest of the dots are stable, except for that in the one corner. You see it, Ashley? Bottom corner.
You can see.
No, you look at the dots. If you look at the dots, some of the dots are actually
But
like,
you can see too?
no. No.
This is running a program that will AI generate images based off electromagnetic interference.
Yes. It's called a seer. Normally do an SD session with a blindfold and the spirit box, where you just listen to the static and say what's going on. With this, we actually have a Gaslow experiment, which is kind of like a red, huh? Gansfeld, I'm sorry, experiment with the red light, and they looks like the Oculus just started going off.
Come here.
Yeah, my.
Come here, Ashley.
I'm sorry.
No, sit down, try.
Yeah.
For my stuff to go.
Now you look in there, and if there's an EMF distortion, it should be an image.
Adjust this down further, I think.
That's UV light.
Yes.
So the bright spots are going to be where the light is?
No,
What do you mean?
On that, it's just running a background, and if any EMF interrupts it, it will create an image for you.
Well, smell disturbed hair. This came up on the obelisk. Any images popping up, Ashley?
It's all cloudy.
Yes, it'll be that if it gets 8 ping, it'll
Well,
pop
if
up.
there's any spirits here that want to try to contact us, try to interact with Ashley's device. Is there anybody in here with us?
So if you tilt your head down, there is a tiny white dot that appears. That is your cursor.
This mode will show you noise only. It will not generate images.
Yeah, you went into the mind focus mode. That's fine.
I can't do like
That's fine.
anything like
Robert, you notice it?
because of my seizures.
Robert, look. Look at the star field. See it over there? See it? You see it?
Right side or left side?
More towards the corner.
That's towards us.
Toward the wall.
If you look towards
Your
him,
side.
towards the right.
Oh,
See it moving?
I see this dim spot. That's
It's moving. See it moving?
Describe cable.
Describe cable. Are you here with us? See how it's moving the dots? We got dots like in Phasmophobia.
why did our dots just dim real bad?
I have no
I was
idea.
getting ready to ask the same thing.
See how there's a dark spot right there?
Yeah, and then the whole laser grid does not dim.
Yeah, but it's only that one spot went out, see? There's something moving in here with us. Is that you, Robert?
No, that's Ashley.
Okay.
Is anything changing?
More toward you, yeah, but not toward the wall. See, it went away. Something moved through the dots. It disappeared.
Well, I don't want to go more that way.
Oh,
I don't want to go more towards the corner.
okay, that's where you're at then.
I'm more comfortable doing this than with the goggles.
Alright.
So tell me which way to go.
Just sit still, you're fine. It's what we do.
You watch the dots and see if anything distorts the mess. Not normally supposed to distort.
It hasn't changed since I got up.
But you did see it change though, didn't you?
Yeah,
It did there for a minute.
It dimmed the pocket where it moved.
darkened.
It rippled.
I don't know.
Of course, I can tell that's Ashley moving. Are
I'm
you here
moving.
with us? Do you speak with us?
Oh. What's up, man?
No, I can see the end of the tunnel.
You get the flashlight, don't you?
No, I gave a lot of to him. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
You can try something else if you want.
It's pretty.
Save chills.
Save chills.
And the whole thing just went dim again.
Wire.
Yeah, I see the dim spot, but I can't tell if it's something to do with the laser pointer itself.
That's what I'm wondering, because we get that dim spot and then not long after the whole thing dims.
Yeah. That's just in that one spot. I could change the laser pattern, see if that makes a difference.
Yeah, see if you can get us the real power grid.
Seller for David. Miss. Wrong.
I'm going to go put the sear back down.
Yeah. Turn the light back on.
Alright.
Mean. It's. Paragraph. Crayon. Begin. Students.
Ah. Well, they're getting all kind of hits on the obelisk all of a sudden.
Found. Bar.
Jesus. It's fucking bright.
It is bright, isn't it?
Yeah. The lights down here definitely work.